Are you single or taking? Um, Embarrassing moment throughout school. Who was your first boyfriend? Okay, shoot yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Sophonie Adme. So today I'm gonna be doing a get to know me video so you guys can get to know a little bit more about me. And I know most of you guys don't really know me. So first question, where are you from? I'm from Haiti and I came to the US when I was 13. How old are you? I am 20 years old and I'm a Gemini. I was born in June 15. Yeah. What is your favorite color? I don't have a favorite color, it depends on the item. And I like pink and gold together. And I've been liking red, blue, and orange. Do you have a pet? No, I don't like animals. What is your favorite drink? I love milkshakes and orange juice, cranberry juice, and papaya juice. And I like coconut water. What's your favorite song? I don't really have a favorite song, depends on my mood. What would you name your children? I was gonna name my son Trayvon, but my older sister had a baby boy, so she wanted me to name him. So I named him Trayvon. He's my godson. Oh my god, I love this little boy. And I would like to name my daughter Pilani Nawabri. What is your favorite subject in school? I don't have a favorite subject. Do you speak any other languages besides Creole and English? Yes, yeah, I know a little bit of French, and I know Cállate la boca, I know Como estás, Puta. When was the last time you cried? I'm a crybaby. I cried over everything. I cried over sad ending movies. The last time I cried, I was watching a movie. What is your favorite movie? I don't have a favorite movie. Scary movies or happy endings. I hate scary movies. Do you sleep with light on or off? I'm scared of the dark. I can't sleep with my light on. Do you have kids? No, not yet. What is your favorite fruit? I love banana. I like watermelon, strawberries, grapes, mango, pineapple, and orange. Tea or coffee? Tea. Which sports do you play or have you played? I don't like sports, but I like watching soccer and basketball. What is your favorite meat? I like fish, shrimps, and goat. What is your favorite food? I love spaghetti, plantain, well, most Haitian food. What is your favorite TV show? Right now, I like Relation Pam. It's a Haitian show. They upload 3 times a week. and I like Empire. Do you have any siblings? Um, yes, I have an older sister and a little sister. How tall are you? I am 5'1" or 5'2". Do you drink? Yes, I drink water and juice. Do you smoke? No, I hate the smells. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Um, I like Alia J, Pick Me Up, Sparkle Marie. I like Sparkle Marie. She is very positive. I like watching her every day and all day, anytime. I like Taylor McJane, The Chick Natural, Raven Elise, Brianna Marie, Brittany Nora, Dana Alexa, African Beauté, Lyric Worcester, Shalom Black, Yara and Ken, and more. Oh, and I like Zoe. Oh my god, I like Zoe. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys learned a lot about me. And please subscribe if you're new on my channel. And I love you guys so much. Bye. I'll see you guys on my next video.